Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. We discuss here caprolactam, very important organic compound. Manufacture of caprolactam is its structure, which polymer it is from, how it is utilized, and mechanism of caprolactam formation. Uses of caprolactam. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here I told you about the structure of this caprolactam. 7-member ring is there. See here, CS2, 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 CS2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times CS2 and 1 CO. So this is cyclic amide of caproic acid. Cyclic amide, CONH linkage is called cyclic amide. Cyclic amide of caproic acid. 6 carbon acid actually. It is CS2 whole 5. Okay, here COOH. Here NH2. So this is aminocaproic acid. Now let's see. This is aminocaproic acid. Aminocaproic acid. Clear? Now on cyclization it will give amide. We will give directly. This is I told you about the from the amino acid. Now here we see cyclohexanone we are manufacturing it. When react with cyclohexanone, when react with hydroxylamine, nucleophilic addition takes place. We will get cyclohexanone oxime, and then protonation by concastuoso4, and followed by dehydration takes place. So intermediate is obtained, which on dehydration and this here dehydration, here hydration will be there. So the reverse reaction is going on. Here hydration and the protonation will give you caprolactam. Now I will tell you how. See, cyclohexanone is there, NH2OH, water will be lost from here. O is linked with nitrogen, so we'll get oxime. I had written at the top everything. Cyclohexane oxime, and then protonation of this hydroxyl group removes the leaving group OH2, and then nitrylinium ion is obtained. This positive charge is here, so this carbon is link is broken away, and it will form new 7-member ring. Means it will include nitrogen also in the ring. So 7-member ring will be obtained. Now this carbon which is having this is electrophilic, which is joined with this nitrogen is electrophilic, electron deficient. So water hydration will take place, and then this is oxonium ion is obtained. Then deprotonation will occur, and then we will get this and ketoenol tautomerism will be there, so we'll get caprolactam. Cyclic amide of caproic acid, and this is